Causative verbs show when one person causes another person to do something. The verb have is used to arrange for someone else to do an action. It means you ask or tell someone to do something for you. The causative verb have has a simple structure. It follows the pattern: subject, have, object, and then the base form of the verb. For example, I will have my assistant send the forms means the assistant will send the forms, arranged by me. Here are some examples. I had my assistant send the emails. She had the gardener trim the bushes. We had the mechanic check the brakes. They had the painter repaint the walls. In each sentence, someone is arranged to do a task. The basic structure for have as a causative verb is subject plus have, has, or had, then the object, and finally the base verb form. The main verb after have stays in its simple base form without to. More examples help you understand better. I will have my assistant call you back. She had her house painted last week. We need to have the roof repaired. He had the waiter bring the check. In all examples, the subject gets someone else to do the action. Try filling in the blanks with have, has, or had. She blank her hair cut yesterday. We need to blank the car fixed. They blank the plumber repair the sink. I will blank my computer check tomorrow. The correct word depends on the subject and time. Here are the answers. She had her hair cut yesterday. We need to have the car fixed. They had the plumber repair the sink. I will have my computer checked tomorrow. These uses show how past, present, and future fit with have. Remember the key points about have as a causative verb. It is used to arrange for someone else to do something. The structure is subject plus have, has, or had, plus the person, then the base verb. The base verb always stays in simple form without to. It is common to use with services like getting your hair cut or car fixed. Practicing these examples will help you use have correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.